story is I'm broke and it's involving you. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. Take my fingers for my boo. I'm all twisted up, feeling Dutch. Fast in the flow, I'm all lifted up. Take a puff, fast in the Joe. Go on, hit the clutch, get it up, fast in the go. Either let me in again, get a crash through the door. I got nothing to lose and I'm not bluffing to use. So what I love, so now I'm stuck in the you. Where I ain't fucking with you, so I ain't fucking with you. Me alone is what the fuck you should do. Me alone is what the fuck you should do. 3 or 4 zones and what I'm pumping on you. Realize how much weight is up on my back. They wonder, will I break up? Will I get up and crack? Don't stop, don't stop, go! 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 Don't stop, don't stop! Put up down! Don't stop, don't stop! Nigga money! Don't stop, don't stop! Peace out! Don't stop, don't stop! If you ever been to Club Visa, if you ever listen to 93.9 WKYS, if you ever been in DC and you heard a nigga say, "Old time," old time. Oh, I'm doing it right.